In this video, I will explain why the government and big market players don't want you to buy a house, and how you can easily own your dream home by going against the increasingly difficult conditions. Why doesn't the government want you to buy a house? Because a homeowner is psychologically and responsibly relaxed, holds their rights firmly, and can resist when necessary. A renter, on the other hand, thinks about rent every month, and their responsibilities are immediate. They are easy to control. Think of this like the person who needs money the most at your workplace, earning the least, because they have no bargaining power. I'm not saying they approved what happened in May 2020, but the fact that housing costs have been rising for 5 years since then is no coincidence. They think they've given people too much freedom and want to systematically take it back slowly. After 2020, social tensions and difficulties in buying homes were the planned starting point. You can't wrong a debt-free homeowner. You can't scare that person. They have the power to disregard the system. So why don't big companies want it? Because they want you to invest in them instead of houses. That's why they hype up prefab homes and spread propaganda like the era of buying houses is over. They can always buy houses themselves, but conditions get harder for you. Yet prices and loans are still low. They may be higher than yesterday, but definitely lower than tomorrow. Don't be fooled by small fluctuations. What do the data say? Since 2020, house prices across the U.S. have risen by 50%. As of March 2025, mortgage rates are at 6.9%, the highest in 20 years. 60% of Americans are not homeowners. The continent is ours, but not the house. The system wants to keep you in debt, propertyless, and distracted with empty dreams. Now I'll tell you how to buy your dream home in 3 steps. Step 2 is optional. Solution: use the system backwards. Step 1. Take your money out of the system. Buy gold every month, even if a little, to exit the system. This way, whenever an investment opportunity arises, you have time to think. Remember, gold is the only real asset even the Fed holds as a reserve. Step 2. Optional. If you want to speed things up, use your gold as your personal investment fund ready to act. Wait for crises, buy companies cheap. You must do this alone. All you need is to save gold monthly while watching the top 100 companies for those that lose more than 20% in value. Over time, you'll make precise predictions about the depth of crisis, value loss, and recovery period of struggling companies. Don't take advice from anyone. People steer you for their own interests. Panic selling and temporary crises can be your buying opportunities. If you think you can't do this well and want a sure path, save enough for a down payment. Step 3. A 15 to 20-year fixed-rate mortgage will be your savior, because you'll have a strong friend by your side. Not me. I can also be that friend. But your real friend, inflation. Save your down payment and move in. Don't wait for rates to go down, because that also means house prices will rise. Inflation waves will continue and get stronger. It's time to become friends with it. When inflation peaks, the house will have cost you much less. You'll come out ahead in every way. With this formula, you can become a homeowner safely and legally. You don't need to pay anyone. Just move a little away from the system, and your savings will grow on their own. This is a development plan any family can follow effortlessly. You don't need advisors, scammers, flattering sellers, or dream peddlers. There are too many of them, and they never get enough. Summary plan. Phase 1, save with gold. Phase 2, buy stocks in drops, optional. Phase 3, fixed rate mortgage plus inflation.